Hey guys, let us solve today's Leetcode daily challenge. And the problem is largest positive integer that exists with its negative. So, given an integer array in nums that does not contain any zeros, find the largest positive integer k such that negative k also exists in the array. So, it is a straightforward problem that we should return a largest positive integer k if its negative k is also exists in the array. So, in example 1, we have 3 where its negative 3 is also present in the array. So, that is our largest positive k. And in example 2 we have two such case. One is 1 and 7, but we have the largest positive integer k is 7, so we return 7. And in example 3 we don't have such possibilities where we like valid k, so we return -1. So and the constraints are very small, so we this is an easy problem. So it is we can solve this by various approaches. Basically we can solve it via brute force that takes out of n square time complexity, and we can also solve using sorting and two pointer approach that the time complexity will be order of n log n. So we'll be doing I'll be showing in two approaches. One is sorting, and also we can use a set or a hash map that we can solve it by order of n time complexity, and the space complexity will be also an order of n. So this is how various approaches that we can use to solve this problem. So we can try solving it through sorting first. So basically first we can sort the array nums.sort, and I'm new to Python, so I'm just starting to learn Python here on the go. I hope I will improve it. So okay, now once we sort this array, what we are going to do is we can traverse the array from the end. So for traversing the array from the end in Python, we can use uh, for loop, and we have to give three arguments in the range. First we will take the length of the array, n equal to nums or length of nums, and for I in range n minus 1, from n minus 1 it should start, and from the end, so we are giving it as n -1, and we also want to give the step count that is going to be decrementing by 1, so we will give -1. So what we are going to do is we are going to check if nums of I is going to be greater than 0, and if my negative nums of I in nums, then we are going to return nums of I. So this is a valid k, else we will return -1. So we will try to run our code, and we can also submit the code now. Super, it gets submitted. So the time complexity here will be n log n, and here we are running a for loop, so this will take an out of n. So basically the time complexity will be out of n log n. Now we can do it using set or hash map. So I will use a set, so we can declare yes, which is going to be a set of nums. So we have converted the nums into a set. Now what we are going to do is we are going to run a for loop from for num in nums. If num is going to be greater than 0, and if my negative num is present in set, then we'll keep track of the maximum element. So what we can do is we can have the res max result, which is -1. So max result is going to be equal to max of max res comma num, and finally we can return max res. So we'll try to run our code. So here we are keeping track of the largest positive integer. So but it gets accepted. So hope you like the solution. Let us see in tomorrow's Leetcode daily challenge. Until then, bye.